Hey guys, welcome back to OMB Garage. I'm Mark and we got Andrew with us today and we're going to be working on his mini bike. We bought new tires for him over Christmas and we're finally getting around to that. Basically, the reason why we're replacing the tires is twofold. One, they are completely worn out. This mini bike originally had the scrub brake, and that was the primary braking source, and that's right in here. Well, since Christmas we bought the clutch brake and that's been working real well, and we thought, well, maybe now it's time to switch them out. Also, these old mini bike tires, they have basically a square bottom. Now that one's worn out, but even if you see the front here, the front is more of a squared look, so when you lean the bike over, it's only going to be riding on the side. Well, these new tires, they are more rounded. So we're hoping to get a little bit more cornering performance and better stability. So that is what we're going to be getting into. So let's get to it. So I want to show you guys, so this rim is in 3 pieces. You have the 2 halves, and then this is actually 1 piece. This is the bearing assembly, and it obviously it's kind of pressed into one side there, and then it bolts all together. So I have never seen mini bike wheels like this before. It does make it easier for getting the tire off. All right, guys, so we got the tires installed. Everything looks good. Andrew and I have been contemplating getting rid of the scrub brake. The clutch brake has been working well, but in order to get rid of the scrub brake, we got to grind welds. This whole thing has to be ground off. This is actually welded all in here. So it's kind of a one-way decision. It's not readily installed again. So we're still contemplating. He's not going to use the scrub brake with the new tires because we don't want to wear them out. But what do you guys think? Should we get rid of it or should we leave it on? Leave a comment below. My son was using the weed whacker. We told him to be quiet because we were filming a video. It turns better? Awesome. It rolls better? Yeah. Awesome. Definitely. All right, guys. There you have it. 2 new tires. Turns better, handles better, all around better. Yes. All right. All right, guys, that's it for today's episode. We have episodes? No, we have videos. Thanks for watching today's video. We learned something. If you can find these nice round tires, I'll leave a link in the description below. So if you guys want to use these tires, you definitely can find them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and the bell so you won't miss our next episode. What is our next episode on this mini bike? Do we have one yet? We're going to turbo. We're going to do turbo. We're going to put a turbo on it. We're going to show you in the next episodes the performance of the clutch brake. We're going to show you a little bit of that to see, we're going to use a little bit more and see how well it's done and show you likes, dislikes. So, all right guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.